Hello everyone, welcome to the February update for the 2020 Crafty Goals with Collab with Amalia. You can follow us at hashtag CraftyGoalsWithAmalia, and also for mine, hashtag CraftyGoalsWithDebHouck. The links will be down in the description box below, as well as links to all the other Collab members. We are all giving you our updates for February on Saturday, March 4th? Nope, 7th? A month ahead, sorry. At 3 p.m. Eastern. So, whatever that works out for your time zone. That's when this is going up. I am recording it several days earlier than that, just so I don't forget to do it, because February is over when I'm recording it. So, how did I do in February? I did pretty good. Well, in most areas. I guess. I don't know. I did average. So, oops, I'm on the wrong page. I did do all my collabs. I got them up on the right day and the right time, except that there were a couple that the time wasn't really specified, and I did do them a little later than I wanted to, but they got up on the right day. And all the other ones were on time. Yeah, so and also I signed up for another collab, which you'll have seen already on March 2nd, the sheet load of cards. So every second of the month, I believe, we'll be sharing our makes for that month's sheet load of cards. And on the first of the month, Alicia will be making those available to everyone, but we get them a little early so we can share them with you. Yay! Anyway, did all the ones I was supposed to, including that one, which already went up. Okay, so crafty spending, not so good. I did better, but I didn't do great. So right off at the bat, in the beginning of the month, I spent $3.18, and here's what I got. I have them still here. I went to Dollar Tree, and I went to Dollar Tree not because I wanted to go to Dollar Tree, but because Mom wanted stuff, and I gotta just stick to her list because I got not one, but two of those. Aren't those cool? I have not seen the metallic stickers for a while from Dollar Tree, and there's this frame, which is a little wonky. But I like all these. Oh, look at that little envelope, so cute. So I had never seen these, and this looks like little hearts on a string. So yeah, they're going in my Valentine's stuff, I guess. Yeah. And then I got one sticker sheet for Easter. I don't really think I have that much Easter stuff, but I liked it because it's holographic. At least the background is. The bunnies are too, and the eggs, but they're yellow, pink, and green. But I like the background too. I have to figure out something to do with that. Anyway, so that was my first spend, but I already knew I have some Sizzix pre-order dies coming from Quality Crafts. I don't remember if I've been billed for that yet. I don't think so. Anyway, but then she had, Jen had another Crafty garage sale. Yeah, I spent $107.30. I do have that stuff. If you're interested in seeing it, I can share it to you because I still have it in the envelope. I did another pre-order with a $9 Sizzix leaf embossing folder 3D. And I bought a stash from Jamie, who's Poet Spice. I just received that the other day, and I think that's it. So I have two pre-orders not yet paid for. One is $16.99 plus shipping and tax or whatever, and one is $9. And I think after that, I am done with that stuff. So with the pre-orders, it's $162.47 I spent, even though I didn't really pay for two of them yet. And without them, it's $136.48, which is a lot better than $268.58, but still not great. So March, I am going to try really hard not to spend anything because I have some stuff going on and I need the money for other stuff. So that is what I did with the spending. So I did better. I didn't do great, but I did better. Okay. All right. Then let's see. So I am tracking it, so that is good. Okay, for my 12 by 12s, I'm still slow start. I did my coffee junk journal, which did use up a number of sheets. I forgot to write down how many I have. Oh, I have it left back here. I have 33 of 48 sheets left still, but I'm doing it. I'm getting there. And then on the small ones, that pad had 97 sheets. This is a new pad this month, so I didn't use any whole pad up, but I have 76 sheets left out of 97. It said 96, but there were 97. So I have 76 left. 76.17 left. Pages. Okay. Now, as for the jewelry, I did make 12 pieces of jewelry in February. I sold a piece of jewelry on February 8th through Etsy, which took me totally by surprise, and that was from something that had been listed there. And then I did photograph everything I've made to date in this year on February 19th, but I have not edited those photos, put my watermark on them, and gotten them on Etsy. And that I plan on doing. Well, perhaps by the time you see this, I will have done it, because I believe I have that on my schedule for Wednesday the 4th to do that. So we'll see. I'm really going to try and get them out there. Okay. 2 racks per month. The Star of the Art bar, that did go out, and I did 4-ish smaller random acts of kindness, and those people know who they are, so I keep them written down here. And then planner sticker books, I used 5 sheets out of 1. And so I'm trying, plus the that doesn't count. I'm using each month the clear date sticker, so I'm working on it, guys. That one I said would probably be a stretch. Like maybe by the end of 2020 I will have used them up. Used 15 non-planner sticker sheets so far. I used 1 in January. I used 2 in February. One was Busy as a Bee by Martha Stewart, and one was Firefly by Firefly, which I used in my Smash Our Small Paper Pad and Stickier Side of Crafting. So that's how I did those. So I'm on target 3. I need to beef that up a little bit to get 15. Use up 6 minimum washi rolls. I'm still at 6. I am using washi again. I just used it on March 2nd. I used some washi, but I'm not finishing things, so I have to work harder at that. Although I've already met the 6. But that's okay. I need to use a lot more. Use up all store-bought card bases and envelopes. Let's see, February I used 14. Okay, and already in March, as of the 2nd, I used another 9. I'm hoping by the end of March I'll be able to finish these 2, if not more. I'll be able to finish these 2. These A2s, I know there's 5 left in, and there's probably about 8 or 10 in the A7s. I really like to use both of those up and get them out of the sweater box that they're in, and then I have other ones. I'm using different color ones as well, but they're going to take a while longer to use. So I am working on that. Have at least 4 online card classes for Stampin' Up. I'm I don't know, guys. I don't know if that's going to happen. I really just don't know if that's going to happen. It should, because it's business and I really need to do it, and I had planned on doing one in February, and I never, like towards the end of February, I never got the cards made. I just feel like I'm constantly making for everything, all these collabs plus my lives and everything, and I can't seem to get to that. I need to put it on the schedule, but pretty soon it's going to be too late to do the class I wanted to do. We'll see. Pursue 8 craft fairs and sign up and attend. I did pursue 2. One of them I'm registered for on April 18th, and that's a local small craft fair, so yay. I looked into actually 2 more local. One of them said they were getting ready to send information out. I haven't seen anything. That was about 2 or 3 weeks ago already, and the other one I have to check the website. They were updating their website, and I have to see if that's up yet, but that one will be for July 4th if I can get in it, and that might be all I can afford to register for until I have some of these shows and bring in some money. Okay. Organize 1 craft item area per month. Total fail. Total absolute fail. In fact, with all these collabs going on and all the stuff I'm making, I have stuff everywhere. It's gotten worse because now I have to figure out what to do with all the stuff I'm making. Yeah, and the intent of the cards, all these cards, is I need to send them out. And I am in a birthday thing through my uplines team page, and I haven't gotten any cards out, so I apologize to any Stampin' Up! Demonstrators that are in that upline that have sent me cards. I will be getting some things out to you all soon, hopefully, so that'll be part of my rack. And hopefully I'll get them going in March, caught up at least. So that's pretty much it. So my collabs, yeah, I did them all. This one I actually did it a week ahead of time, and uploaded it a week ahead of time, and then I had to quick change it to private and reschedule it, and I don't know that it really showed up good on the 29th, because I didn't see it pop up anywhere. Even on my page, it popped up, but back on the 22nd date. It should have popped up on the 29th when I had it scheduled for. Anyway, that won't happen again. I now know it's not the 4th Saturday, it's the last Saturday. So that was the only snafu, but I had it done on time. And the new project, same paper, that's not really a set time. I like to try and get it up at noon, at 7 a.m., but I didn't get it up till noon. And we did do the paper pumpkin alternatives. We did them on Sunday the 23rd because we didn't get our paper pumpkins till like Thursday, and I needed time to work on it, as did Paige. But everything else, yeah, there's one thing I haven't done yet, and that's that one bead park jewelry tutorial that has to get done soon. So I need to write that in for March somewhere, and I will be doing that. I owe that to that company, and I'm surprised they're not bugging me. I'm thinking maybe they're in quarantine or something in China. Who knows? I don't know. Alright guys, thank you Amalia for doing this. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting me, and yeah, come back at the end of March on April 4th for our update on March. Okay? Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.